Crafting a classic margherita pizza. Making a classic margherita pizza is a simple yet satisfying experience. You will need a pizza base, 200 grams of tomato sauce, 200 grams of fresh mozzarella cheese, a handful of fresh basil leaves, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Start by preheating your oven to the highest setting, usually around 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating, spread the tomato sauce evenly over the pizza base, leaving a small border around the edge. Slice the mozzarella cheese and arrange the slices over the tomato sauce. Once the oven is hot, place the pizza on a baking sheet or pizza stone and bake it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. While the pizza is baking, wash the basil leaves and pat them dry. When the pizza is done, remove it from the oven and immediately scatter the fresh basil leaves over the top. Drizzle the olive oil over the pizza and sprinkle it with a pinch of salt. Slice the margherita pizza into individual pieces and enjoy the harmonious blend of fresh and flavorful ingredients. It's a timeless classic that never fails to delight the taste buds.